Hi everybody, Monty here. So let's get started on some Mathia, okay? So now we're in week 7. Okay, week 7, and hopefully you've all gotten to parallel and perpendicular lines, okay? Parallel and perpendicular lines. Now when we get here, there's going to be a few problems where they're trying to balance the equation. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other to keep them balanced, okay? So let's just kind of look at this. This very first one, we're trying to get x by itself. Well, we've been talking about this opposite reciprocal. If we multiply both sides by a 3, the 3's cancel. We multiply both sides by a negative. Negative becomes a positive. Divide both sides by the 2 to get it by itself. Click on hints whenever you're struggling here, because we're going to get you these skills, but I know not all of you are in the same spot, okay? So they've graphed a whole bunch of equations here. All of these represents one of these lines. Now I got to this point and I'm frustrated. I can't figure it out, right? Subtract a negative x from both sides of the equation above. This is the same as by adding x to both sides. So if I go plus x, right? What do I get? I think they're looking for a 2 here. And that's what caused me the frustration. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2 and we get a 7.5. And again, I'm wrong. I'm going to click on the hints. If you divide negative 15 by 2, negative 15, negative 7.5. Okay, all right, negative 7.5. The equation negative 2/3 x is equal to 2/3 x plus 10. Is a true statement for only one x. True statement for only one x. Two lines, they're not perpendicular, right? Not perpendicular because it's not the opposite reciprocal, the two slopes. Do not have an intersection point. They do intersect at one spot, negative 7.5. They're not the same line. They have one intersection point. What patterns have you noticed? The slopes of parallel lines are equal. To be parallel, they have to have the same slope. Equal. Okay. Cool. Okay, now slope. Slope of moonbeam line. Slope of moonbeam line. Okay, the rise over the run, right? The rise over the run. The slope of moonbeam, 0, 16. So the rise, it's up at 16, it's at 0, so we're going to put a 16 here. 20, 20 to 0, right? Okay, so 16 over 20. From left to right. Oh, coming downhill, coming downhill. Okay, and it simplified it for us. That's cool. Write a function that describes the path. So we need a slope, negative 4 over 5, 4 over 5, x coming down. So we're going to need that plus the y-intercept. Coming downhill, y-intercept. Click on a hint, mx plus b. Oh, they moved the street on me, huh? They will build a road perpendicular to Sundance and Moon Street. The slope of the line representing this road will be opposite reciprocal. Okay, so it's going to go through 4.8. To build a road perpendicular to Moonbeam and Sundance. So what is the opposite? 5, 1.25, positive? Wow. That was quite a problem, wasn't it?